Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So Valentine is just around the corner. So today I thought why not to put something very interesting. So today I'm making chocolate mousse with 2 or 3 simple ingredients. So yeah, let's start. For that you need 100 gram of chocolate of your choice. Cut them into small pieces and put it in a bowl. Add a pinch of coffee and 100 ml milk and melt it in microwave for like 20 to 30 seconds and mix it very well. Now take another bowl and add 200 grams of thick whipping cream and whip it well. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor. And now start mixing both the ingredients. Make sure to be very gentle with your mixing.
My heart stopped when I first saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw?
And now I'm taking 2 cute heart-shaped ramekins and adding my mixture in it. And the measurement I have mentioned here is for 2 servings, but if you want more you can double the quantity for extra servings. Now put them in your refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours or overnight for best results. Now it's been 4 hours and I am starting decorating it with strawberries, blueberries and a leaf of mint for extra color. So that's it guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.